So you noticed your ankles are swelling when you're sitting down, but it is okay. I've got you. So it is really a common problem. And thankfully, the medical research has gone light years ahead. And we know why this is happening. And I'm going to explain in a minute. Please follow this channel and subscribe. Hi, I'm Kat from Kat Cares No Cankles. Welcome.
This information is for you if you're not currently pregnant and if your heart is in good condition, meaning that you have had your recent health check and that you do not experience a heart failure. I don't wish heart failure on anyone. It is just you can experience a sudden onset of ankle swelling if you start to have heart conditions. So if you're not sure, please double check. Now, without any further delay, let's have a really brief look at the anatomy of the ankle. When you look at your ankle, you have the bone with the ligaments, you have the muscle, and skin on top. So there is really nowhere to hide. And this is why you actually see the ankle swelling first here, because it's a way of the body to give you SOS call, please help me out. Now, what is the medical discovery that's a completely breakthrough medical discovery that I wanted to talk to you about? It is interstitium. We knew about interstitial tissue for decades. However, what was not known the actual structure of it, what was unknown was how it actually looks like, what is the function of it, and it's actually not a tissue, it's a whole organ. Everything is connected. And it's a complete mind-blowing because it's fairly recent discovery and it's a truly a game changer. So let's have a look at it because this will make you understand why your ankles are swelling. When you look at it, you have fluid-filled sacs which are supported with a lattice of collagen fibers. And this collagen gives the structure and actually helps the fluid-filled sacs to actually stay intact. As we age, and also the environmental factors are a huge factor in this. The collagen gets destroyed. As collagen gets destroyed, you actually start to lose the structure and support, and your ankles start to swell. And as you add up this damage, um, it actually starts to frail. And body keeps repairing all the time. Like body is an amazing organism. It keeps fixing and repairing continuously. But at some point it becomes too much. What it doesn't help as well is we have all the environmental factors. I don't know how much you're aware, but all the pollution from the air actually gets incorporated inside our blood vessels. And there are quite a number of papers. I'm not going to dwell on it. Basically, the quality of air you breathe in and the quality of water you drink, plus all the foods, everything gets incorporated into our body. Tiny little quantities, but how much is too much? I'll leave that up to you. However, there are lots of things you can do to help prevent the ankle swelling. I've been just like you. My ankles have been horribly swollen. I know exactly how it feels. My feet actually look like cream puffs, so I completely understand how it feels. And I had a worry. I was worried that I will not be able to walk when I'm older and I would not be able to look after myself. So um, I found a solution. It worked for me. I can show you my way coming weeks. I also have a book that's almost done. So please keep following the channel to actually have all the information. The great thing is there are lots of things we can control. We can control the quality of water we're drinking. And also there are so many um, gorgeous nutrients that can help our body heal. Because our body is amazing. It can heal um, from tremendous injuries. So I'm going to put in the link below in description the list of top 10 foods you should be absolutely having. And please subscribe and like this so more ladies can hear about it and help themselves. So what you can do today to stop your ankles and feet swelling. Step 1, click on the link below in the description for the top nutrients you absolutely have to eat. And step 2, start consuming clean water. I will explain further in this video why it's so important, but if you're short in time, these are the 2 things you absolutely have to do today. If you have any questions about your ankles, please post a comment below and I will answer. I will be checking comments twice a week, so I just can't do it more often, but put a comment below and I will reply to you. So you can control the quality of water you're drinking. So you can double check what's in your tap water. I'll put the links in the description below as well. But there are far too many things in the water that shouldn't be there, including the toxic minerals and heavy metals. Our body needs to prioritize because that is killing the body. So before it does anything, it actually has to detoxify. And if you use your valuable time detoxifying, you have not enough time to synthesize collagen, if it makes sense. So check the quality of the water you're drinking. These days there are so many filters. Even the simple Brita water filter is good enough to start helping. If you have better one, fantastic. But just start drinking clean water. It's your right and it's not a privilege. Let's get those gorgeous, sexy ankles out and forget all about the ankle swelling. See you in the next video.